Hey there, I'm in a brand new construction custom golf access home in the southwest section of Cape Coral, and I've been absolutely excited to come over here and show this to you ever since I found out it was finished and hitting the market about a week and a half or so ago. And I've sold homes for this builder before, and he absolutely does phenomenal work. And this house is just under 2,500 square foot, and absolutely all of it is chock full of beautiful upgrades and incredible finishes and design features. So let's jump right into this one. By the way, if we haven't met yet, my name is Dustin Guthrie. I've been a full-time real estate broker here in Southwest Florida for 20 years, and I put out videos like this every week on this channel. Sometimes we're looking at amazing properties like this one, and sometimes I'm just teaching you things that you need to know if you're planning on moving to Cape Coral or Southwest Florida. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss these important videos every week. I promise you'll get a lot out of them. Welcome to 3130 Southwest 26th Avenue in Cape Coral, Florida. This is a brand new custom golf access home. It features 4 bedrooms plus a den, 3 full bathrooms, and nearly 2,500 square feet of living area inside, plus a 3-car attached garage and an absolutely stunning outdoor living space with a screen lanai and a heated pool and spa, all on one of the best golf access canal systems in the city. As we step through the entryway into the main living spaces, you can already see what I mean when I say the level of finishes are incredible in this place. There's just so much added and refined details in this home that really just separates it from just about any other new construction golf access home you'll find on the market right now in this price point. Of course, the home has this really popular open concept great room layout with this main central living space, but you know, they've also done a great job of creating some separation between some of the spaces. So for instance, the entryway is set back from the great room ever so slightly, so you're not walking right into the living room. And then we have a set of heavy glass doors that lead into the office or the den up front. As you would expect in a nice custom home like this, all of the windows and doors are hurricane impact glass, so there's no concern with putting up shutters or anything, and that also gives you some nice discounts on homeowners insurance. And here we have this amazing island kitchen, which also is nice and open to the living room. And this kitchen is also full of great details. The multi-tone custom cabinetry is really sleek with clean lines and accenting colors. The stainless appliances are all top-shelf Thermador brand, and I really love these backlit niches. Just tons of little details like that. They're just really thoughtful. The openness of these spaces also allows for a ton of natural light to spill in from those big 90-degree pocketing sliders, which also lets these interior spaces completely open up to the outdoor living spaces out back, and it gives you that really seamless indoor-outdoor transition that living in Southwest Florida is really all about. Also just off the kitchen is a smaller dining space or a breakfast nook, which is completely surrounded by sliders, giving the space a really great atmosphere overlooking the pool and the waterfront out back. The guest suites are on this side of the house as well, starting with this main guest bathroom, which also services the main living areas of the house. And then just off that bath are the 2 minor guest rooms, both of which have walk-in closets in them. And then separated from these bedrooms is the main guest ensuite, which has a full attached bathroom, and this bathroom also has access out to the pool deck, allowing it to serve as the pool bath as well. Notice the floor-to-ceiling tile on the walls in all of these bathrooms. Again, it's just details and extras like that that really separate a home like this. The primary suite is on the opposite side of the house, just off the great room. And just like the main guest ensuite, the primary bedroom has slider access out to the screen lanai, which also allows for some really great water views from this space. Heading towards the primary bath, we have a large walk-in closet on the left with a built-in closet organizer, and then a minor closet on the other side of the hall. And then we get into the primary bath, starting with a private lavatory and a smart toilet on the left, and then this incredible main bathroom space. We've got dual vanities with premium built-in cabinets, top-notch counters with underhung sinks, and backlit smart mirrors, a cutout with a standalone garden tub with natural light coming in from the high privacy window, and finally this walk-behind shower with a rain head, adjustable wall spout, and multiple niches, once again with floor-to-ceiling premium wall tiles. And that pretty much wraps it up for the beautiful interior of this house, so let's go ahead and check out the incredible waterfront outdoor living spaces out back. The screen lanai starts off with a couple sections of shaded under-truss living spaces. We've got this main sitting space here with an electric fireplace and a TV alcove, and then also a smaller outdoor dining space right next to it. Just beyond that space is a covered outdoor kitchen. It includes a sink, a gas grill, and a vented exhaust hood, as well as a drink fridge. Then there is, of course, the pool itself. This is a pretty long pool, so you can use this for lap swimming, but it also has a nice sun shelf for lounging right there, and as well as a separate built-in spa, which has a pleasant sort of trickling waterfall into the pool. It's a nice little touch out here. There's also sort of this bonus open space behind the pool for things like lounge chairs or maybe even a tiki bar or something. This is also where the guest ensuite and the pool bath entries are. And then we also have an outdoor shower right here for when you get back from the beach or something. And then we've got the Gulf Access Waterfront, and this home does have a brand new seawall on it. There's no dock just yet, but it's certainly ready to go for one. I will say that the only reason this property is not listed at a higher price point, in spite of all those incredible finishes and features, is simply because this home's a little bit further from open water. I would say it's every bit of 45 minutes plus boat trip out to the exit of the canal system, which is actually right there by Cape Harbor and all those nice waterfront restaurants down there. But it's still a great Gulf Access neighborhood here in the Southwest Cape, and with all the finishes and the added perks of things like the new metal roof, the impact windows and doors, and that nice 3-car attached garage with a showroom floor in it, this really is a special home for someone who doesn't place as high of a priority on being super close to open water like this. This is something that would undoubtedly be in the upper $1 million if it was pretty close to open water, so it's an opportunity here for the right people. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of this beautiful brand new construction custom Gulf Access home here in the southwest section of Cape Coral. I absolutely enjoyed being over here showing it to you. If you did like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. It just helps me out and helps the channel out. And if you're interested in this property, I'm going to link to it down in the description of this video so you can see all the photos and all of the features and things like that in there. And if you are looking for property anywhere in Southwest Florida, it doesn't have to be here in Cape Coral, make sure you get a hold of me. Call, text, email me anytime. Contact information's right there on the screen, and it's down in the description of the video as well. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.